Let's make something cool. First, the code. When the board is ready, create a new joystick. Simply send a message through the socket I/O to all connected clients for all the moments, and that's it. And we run the server on localhost while client on Heroku instance. Using streaming API, our account object, we are sending those moments as well. So let's look at the index page that we are serving. These are the reveal.js slides that we are serving. The main.js file which is receiving elements from the server is simply this. You get a new socket and you register left, right, up and down events on it and map the corresponding reveal methods, which will then simply move the slides to left or right. Let's see it running. Let's open the console and the JS file that we just saw. The device is connected, the board is ready, and it shows you the previously recorded X and Y position on the joystick. Now let's go to the slide and let's move the joystick. To the right. And we see the slide shifting to the right. We have the client window also open. Let's move it back to left. When we go to the right, we see the next slide. And going down, on the joystick will move the slide downwards. And that's it. So that was the hardware controlled, joystick controlled, cloud-based slideshow. Ta-da!